Nice. Hey, Epoch. Thank you. Let's lower the sound a bit. Okay, so let's start. Start where? Let's start with the background. In the gradient. Yeah, let's do that. Can I have a background in my background project? That's a bit weird. Let's just use a gradient. So let's go. Always weird to start a new project. World, we don't need Lena. Is the name Lena? Yeah, Lena. So we can actually, I don't think we don't need. We need to load. Maybe we need to load 1 or 2 textures for the particles. Let's get just rid of that. Group N. His name. Yeah, let's do that. Set gradient. Let's start easy. I like when this works. And we open the logs. Alright, all good. Hey, hey, salut, salut. Hello, hola. The second name, it's Bruno Simon. But you can say Bruno Simon or whatever, I don't care. Or the portfolio guy. Hey, Mr. Bruno. Hey, hey, Shia. Hey, Linksk. Hey, Tomcat. How do I structure your my code? Check my repo. Let me give you the GitHub. And there is a complex project there. By the way, this one is I need to change the project command. Let me do that quickly.
Lovely portfolio guy.
Thank you. Today is a new project, a small project. All right, I know I say that a lot, but this one is going to be much smaller than my room in 3D. That's for sure. I just need to create a background for the stream. I'm going to work a bit on the layout, especially when I go there. See that screen? It's ugly as F, so we need to do something. I mean, I can do WebGL, so let's do WebGL. All right, so I wanted to change just the command for the project. Yeah, it's project. Project. Yeah, here it is. So what can I write? I'm creating a cool WebGL background with particles and stuff for my stream layout. All right. I hope it makes sense. I need to change that. Sorry. Stream background, I guess. Yeah, should be fine. My room in 3D, so it's stream background.versel. No, this is not the way of saving, Bruno. Alright, so now if I press, let me see. Where is project? There. Project. I'm creating a cool WebGL background with particles and stuff for my stream layout. Okay, let's go. So, hey Fuse, what's up? The master of brainwashing. Stop saying that. Am I brainwashing people? I'm not. What for? What's the message then? Madbox. Oh, thank you. Yeah, Madbox was really cool to do. Too bad that the... Okay, the dog is sleeping. Can you see the dog? Wait. Ah, almost. Yeah, you can see part of his head right here. Yeah, Madbox was really cool. But it took so long to put it live and be able to communicate. I mean, there was a lot of detail. I wasn't concerned by that, but I know that the other guys on the project, guys and girls, had to do quite a lot of changes. It was quite long. What is the new project? Yeah, we are creating a simple WebGL background, cool stuff. I don't know what we will put there. Actually, I'm gonna need you guys because maybe you will have some ideas to see that. So right now can we hide those? Yeah, I don't know the shortcuts. So it's just a gradient. I'm gonna create a layout like this, and I'm going to put particles and things like that. Hey, encore un projet. Yes, sure. Why stopping? I mean, I actually have to confess that currently it's super hard to do streaming because of Boy right here. He's taking all my time and all my energy, and once he wakes up, I will have to walk him, so it's really hard these days. Oh, wow, I haven't seen... Yeah, this one is new. I mean, new. It's been 2 months, so maybe that's why. Just chilling, talking with some friend and you, and now enjoying your stream. Nice. Aren't you walking? What time is it for you, Fuse? Okay, let's go, let's start. Oh, 56 people? I didn't even tweet. Anyway, so yeah, let's start with the gradient. We should have done this project without Three.js. I wanted to do it without Three.js, but it would have taken something like 1 or 2 more sessions. So let's do things simple, okay? Let's go. Let's get rid of this keyboard and focus on this one. So import all at 3 from 3, I guess. This is a singleton. We can do that. In the scene, I'm starting to really settle down on this structure, having one singleton, being able to access things without too much levels, put every visible thing inside the world class. I think this is quite stable. Should I or should I not? Let's do too much. All right. Set geometry. Set material. Set mesh. So again, if you see boy moving, just tell me. Probably means I need walking. For now, there will be not much things. Something like that. Is everything working, by the way? Am I on the right layout? Yeah, I think so. Let's put my face somewhere else. Okay. So we need the geometry and we need the material. Easy peasy. Something like that. Nope, this in add is not a function because, yeah, I messed up with that, obviously. Center of undefined. What? What's that? Geometry. Oh, plain geometry. What the? Okay, that's a bad start. I'm just booting up. Give me time. Alright, that's cool. So, for the moment, the camera can move all around, but obviously I will just put the camera in front of it. We'll see that later. 3 p.m. right now. Okay. Okay. Did you use render target on Three.js Journey page? The wall with the galaxy? No. I just put the galaxy inside the wall. I think the trick. What did I do? I mean, the question is probably like, how do I hide it from the other side? With this one. Actually, we can't see much, but if you go up, you will see that it's hidden. No, I think I just. From shader tricks, and you can know when it's the back side, or maybe I put like I calculate that this area needs to be rendered, but not this part there. I don't know. I think I did something quite simple. No render target. Okay, the work joined the Bruno's beautiful brainwash. Yeah. There is no brainwash. What the hell? when we need, is that a question? When do we need the custom shaders in Three.js? Oh, Shaya, is that a question? Please could you explain word this and we use it for, yeah, that's, see that, the explaining this, that's the reason why I don't want to create a lesson about how to create good structure for Three.js, because you need to understand classes, inheritance, context, things like that, event emitting, etc. So I think it's a bit too much. This is the context. I will make it very quick because it usually it takes me many hours to explain that. But when you do this gradient, this is an instance of this class, and inside this class, so this class there, this is instance, so this gradient is this. That's weird, but this is how it works, and this is called context. It's complex. This is object-oriented JavaScript. All right, so we have this. Let's use some shaders. Obviously, well, we can start the shaders already. So we need the gradient. We need vertex.glsl and fragment.glsl. Something like that should work. Here we need to import it. So vertex shader from shaders gradient vertex shader.glsl. Nope, you don't like that. Body not found, cannot resolve shader. Why? Shaders gradient vertex shader. Did I forget to add the GLSLify? No, it's there. Should be working. GLSL. Okay, I messed up something. I'm quite sure I did that mistake already once. Oh, vertex shader. Yeah. All right, fragment. You can call those whatever you want. I like to put it in folders and have fragment.glsl, vertex.glsl. Then we can switch to shader material. So here's the idea. Currently I'm just creating the background. You can see it there. So we have one color and another color. I really don't know what I'm doing. I haven't planned anything, so we see where it's going. Vertex shader. Vertex shader. All right. All right. Oops. What are you doing? Okay. I'm getting used to Windows, but still not so easy. So here, what do we need? Actually, I should comment this one. Focus on the vertex shader first. It's gonna be void main, and I'm not going to. Maybe I can. That would be funny. Let me think. Yeah, no, we don't really care about that. Yeah, okay. GL position. And we can just use a vec4 with the position and 1.0. It should face the camera. Okay, cool. So, wireframe. True. Okay, that's a nice one. All good. Then the fragment. Void. Save. Main. I'm gonna check the chat. Give me just one moment. Thank you for the follow. Frag color. New. No. And we can put for now just, I don't know, another color. We don't have transparency. I don't think so. Alright, cool. What an ugly yellow. Hey Giovanni, do you think that the object-oriented structure helps with Three.js project? Absolutely. I mean, I could not create all those websites without using object-oriented programmation. It's impossible. Some of my codes are like, I don't know, 5,000 lines of codes. Like Charter, I think it's between 4,000 and 5,000. If it's not structured well, it's impossible. So yeah, quite sure of it. Okay, so yeah, AD, as you can see, new project. When do we need custom shader in field? Okay, so that was a question. When you want to create something different, like if you check on Three.js, no, that's not what I want. Just Three.js, yeah, that's the one. If you check all the materials, so you have those, you have, I don't know, like matcap, all right, it's looking cool. The fong, all right, it's looking cool. The tune, all right, it's looking cool. But if you want something custom, different than what you already have there, you need to create your own shader. That's the idea. And at some point you will. At some point. All right, cool. Let's send the UV. Yeah, let's do just a quick gradient, make sure everything is working. So we need a UV. Oh no, we just need the UVX. Let's send the UV just in case. So varying back to. What is boy? Oh, he's there. Oh, okay. He was at my feet. You guys were supposed to tell me when boy was moving. Actually, you probably didn't see. Did you upload the Room 3D project on internet? Yes, I did. I can give you the link. It's on the internet. My room is in the internet. Here you go. Yay, check that. You guys can play with the day and night version. And I also added this one. This is bonus. I really liked it. And you can change the lights. This light and this light. And change the color. So cool. That was a cool project. Now I need to edit all the 20 videos and put them on YouTube. It's gonna take a full day at least. Anyway, that's my problem. So VUV. Normally it's supposed to be already sent. Maybe I can simplify it, by the way. No, let's send everything. Ça mange pas de pain. Doesn't eat bread. Makes no sense. All right, my favorite background. Thank you. Thank you. The way color happened to object. Yeah, that's it. I mean, you have two different shaders. If you want to learn really like in details about that, because it's really complex, you should take the course I've created, which is Three.js Journey. But to make it simple, you have two types of shaders, the vertex shader and the fragment shaders. The vertex shader will position the geometry on the screen. Not totally true, but let's keep things simple. And the fragment shader will add color to that geometry. So first, this one gets triggered, things get positioned on the screen, and then this one gets triggered, and what has been positioned on the screen will get some color on each pixel, which are called actually fragments. That's the idea, and if you want to learn how to create that, just take the Three.js Journey course and I explain everything you need. Love the waterfall effect on that last project you tweet about. Yeah, the waterfall was super cool to create. We're talking about Matbox. I had a lot of fun doing this one. Is it .io? Yeah, that's it. The shores too was quite fun to do. Yeah, there. So you have the waterfall there. There's another one there too. I'm using some kind of Perlin, kind of the same technique on the UV. I had to unwrap it, and also there is this one there all around the continents. That was so cool, and I don't know if you know, but you can click on that button. 3, 2, 1. That was a cool project. Oh, there's a bug. Oopsie. You can press space. Yeah, yesterday was... I posted 2 new projects. The Room and Matbox. What a day, what a day. So, we have this gradient that's super cool. Let's... what should we need TwigPen. I should really add TwigPen to this. My problem with TwigPen is that it's really cool, but I'm not sure I will always use TwigPen. So anyway, maybe I should open another one. I will steal some code from my previous project. Where should I put it? Ah, yes, you can't do that on Windows. That's true. Okay, let's do that. So, Twigpan. I think it's just Twigpan. Yeah, that's it. Then we need to initialize it. Where am I on? The node modules. Let's cheat. I don't want to do it from memory. What time is it, by the way? Already. Oh. Where is experience? Oh, there. I think it's pan. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's do that. Pan. Yeah, let's do that. Set debug. Set stat. I think we already have set stats. Yes, we do. Debug. Yes, debug. Now, if I add hash debug, we get this. Alright, that's cool. Let's get rid of some of those windows. We don't have much room. Now we can focus on the colors. So, geometry, material, maybe we can add this one there. Let's separate. I'm doing way too much separation, but should be fine. Colors. Okay. His sleep is getting light. Like the first day he could sleep, we could dance around him, he wasn't moving. Now he's waking up way too easily. Anyway. Colors equal like that. So we have two colors. Let's call them start. Let's do value. Let's not forget this. And the instance. Ah, yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, I forgot. Oops. Alright. And all good. So then we can send some uniforms. Oh, let me think. Oh no, that's not the way of doing it. Yeah, I want the color to be animated. So yeah, we should not do that. Okay, I will probably get rid of it, but let's keep those lines of code for now. And we are going to use, let me think. We want something like this color. But I want the color to be kind of random. It might be a bit tricky to get something that looks always good. Let's see. So we need to send the time. Value 0. Oh, let me check the chat quickly. Sorry, guys. Hope this is helpful. Text with WebGL is such a challenge, so many ways. It really depends on how much text, how close you can be, the font you're using. So many ways of doing it, and not like one way that can do everything. I want to change it dynamically. Texture won't work. You can update the texture if you're using a canvas. That's possible. That's what I did on Tag, the watch website with a Nintendo. I used some canvas for the screen inside the watch. SDF is a good solution. Carrefour SDF is not great for performances. Still, that's pretty cool for performances. 3D model for new project. What do you mean? Already made 3D models for a new project? What do you mean, Munchi? Sorry, I can't read it. The most interesting thing is how do you achieve blur gradient in bottom bar? Blur gradient? What do you mean? On the Matbox, I think it's like the cheapest blur ever, and I use the V, like if it's down, I increase the blur. If it's the middle, low blur. If it's high, no blur. And it's I really type like a GLSL blur, and I took one, and that's all. And it's post-processing also. Trying to make something. How can I write stuff on a plane? Oh, so that's what you want to create. Yeah, it depends really. SDF is a solution. Maybe you can use geometries, but that's a bit tricky. Or you can write, if the plane is not too big or the texture is not too big, you can use the canvas and use the canvas as a texture. Do you create all your own assets? Usually yes, but for like a client project, usually they hire a modeler to do the models, and yeah, just focus on the WebGL. Like for Matbox, I didn't do the models. I just optimized and exported the models, but Romain Brio and Julie did the models. Talking about Matbox. Check the tweet if you want to get those their coordinates. All right, cool. Yeah, okay, he's sleeping. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. And he's sleeping. And color. Something like that. Start color. Yeah, let's start with the start, obviously. Come on. Vec 3, final color. It's gonna be a mix between the start color, the end color, according to vv.y. This one is already provided by Three.js when you use the plane geometry, so it should be easy. Okay, so here's the gradient. So obviously it's from red to red, so it's not going to work. Let's do this. Yuck. All right, that's cool. What was I doing? Yeah, sending the U time. So we need to update that. We need to get access to the time. Oops, what happened? So many people. 76. I didn't even tweet. What is happening? So yeah, we send the time. I guess it's fine. Okay, and here we can play. Oh, we need to create. Ah, yes. If we need to go through different colors, we need to use HSL, hue, saturation, lightness. Yeah, I guess it's a good idea to do that. Which is not supported by default. GLSL, HSL. GLSL, HSL, damn. What code can we steal? Oh, this one looks complex. Oh, okay, it's a gradient, full gradient. We don't need that. HSV, which is not exactly the same thing, but we can dig that. Yeah, I guess. 2 RGB. I hate when people do that. Write the 2 like this. Alright, let's add it directly into that. I don't think we need it somewhere else. HSV 2 RGB. Yeah, those should be upper, but let's not do too much. So we can do start color, do something like that. Vec 3. HSV. V is 4. Damn, I don't know. Anyway, if I put 0.0, I don't know, 0.5, and let's put 0.5 again. We see how it goes. Okay, so saturation can be 1. Okay, this one can be 1 too to get like a full bright color. Okay, I get it. Easy. Easy, easy. Alright, nice. Here we can do like 0.5. This one will be fixed. Yeah, we will have a fixed color on the top, which actually probably means that we need just a color and not use HSV to RGB, can fix that later. Oh, thank you, Clemidou, for the sub. Did I forget value? No, it's fine. Oh, by the way, no, it's not time. It's elapsed. Okay, and now if we retrieve that, let's float. Countdown. And we can put it, I don't know, like there. This gradient is already taking so long. And we need to throw it down. And it doesn't work. We need to do a modulo or something like that. Start color and color. What is happening? Oh, I'm not updating it. Obviously. Woohoo! All right, nice. For the one on the top, yeah, I think I would just use one color. Can I get it? Linear. Is it this one? Why don't you change? Okay, that's the one. So here's the value. So yeah, in the end, we do need to use those color thingy. So yeah, we can use that. Start, top. Is it the start or the end? Oh, it's the end one. Maybe I will change that in the end. Let's see. And color. Value. And we send this. Here we can fetch it. Yeah, something like that. Let's put it there. Don't really need this variable, but still. Alright, that's ugly, but that's a start. Is it that dark? That's weird. Is it the right color? This one looks much brighter. Does it? What's happening? See, that's so dark. Am I messing with something? Let's put the end color there. Did I do something wrong? Oh, that's weird. Okay, now it's fine. What? I didn't save. Yeah, okay, I know. Noob mistake. Okay, that's cool. So let's get back to the gradient. So now it's this one. Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Next. So, you guys know what V means? I mean, S is for saturation. V is for... It can be V, HSV, HSV. Hue saturation value. Yeah. I don't like that. Hue saturation value. Yeah, okay, let's keep it anyway. Will you add any 3D effect to your background? Kind of. I don't know. Maybe on the particles. V is in... Okay, value. Thank you. I didn't say. Post-processing. Got it. It looks super good though. Yeah, thank you. Don't do like bokeh, like use the depth pass to... Where's boy again? Sometimes you just need to do a linear gradient to the bottom, to the top, and it does the trick, and performances are much better. Still be careful with blur. That's bad for performances. That's why we only activate it at some points, or if the performances are good or something like that. I don't even remember. Hey, up menu. Want to change directly texture won't work. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, that's the brightness, but I wonder if it's exactly the same value. I always forget how they work. You know what? Let's rename it. HSL. HSL. Yeah, let's cheat. I don't like that. Okay, cool. We need to send those. So we have the float, hue and color, hue saturation. So saturation, lightness, stay here. Yeah. Hue, saturation. Lightness. Yeah, okay, all good. So now we can probably control it if we do something like that. It's not working because I'm not using those, obviously. That's weird. Is it really working? Saturation. Saturation. Ah, come on. Yeah, okay, that's better. 0.5. Yeah, okay, it's getting somewhere. I like that. Why did I put it there? Just because I want to be able to tweak it to find the right value. So let's add some tweaks. The usual. This one I can do it from memory, I guess. This debug. Oh, we need to create a folder. Let's make sure we have access to it. I really can't do those curly brackets. Add folder. Where was the label? I don't think so. Title? Yeah, okay. Gradient. Okay. Then we can create this one. Ah. I can do it. I can do it. No, it's not like that. It's this.colors.n. We have only one color, but anyway. Instance. Then it has to be, oh, damn, curly brackets. View, I think. Yeah, view color. Is that it? No, it's not instance, it's value, and then we update the instance according to the value. Yeah, on change. So much work just to make a color editable on Three.js. I see why. I see why. So yeah, we can do set and use that one. Okay, nice. So if I do this, yeah, okay, it's working. Woohoo, Discord. Bruno, how's today treating you, man? Tired as always? No, that's because of the dog. I wanted to stream so much earlier, but he didn't want it to poop and eat, so yeah. You had any 3D effect with your background? Value is kind of like brightness. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's move on. We have this one. We can add more tweaks on this one. So it's gonna be this material, uniforms, view, time, value. Yeah, perfect. You can change the label because it's gonna be value. No, actually, it's not your time. It's saturation. You can put that here. So the min value can be 0. The max value can be 1. Maybe more actually. Oops. Set 1. Yeah, cool. Only if there's a debug. Yeah, I did the curly brackets. View lightness. Alright, cool. What a beautiful background. Should we add some noise? Ah, that's already a bad idea. Should we add some noise on it? Yes, we should. Maybe not. Let's try. I'm sure I will keep it if I do. GLSL 2D noise. I should create some partials already. Just do it. Oh, Julia, don't. I actually. Patricio, thank you, bro. This guy just changed the face of WebGL. Why do we have that many noises? Generic noise. Oh, those are plugins. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can use this one. Oh, N, P, noise. Does this noise use other noise? Nah. Smooth step? What the hell? That's not the one I had in mind. Oh, that's the one. Yeah, okay, that's the one. Quite sure. Random 2D. Thank you, Patricio. So, now that we have the final color, we just do some kind of offset. We could create... Oh, we could use a blue noise. Oh. No, that doesn't make sense. Like, it's too much. Final color. I hope the noise will not break, because sometimes the value can be messed up. Well, we'll see. Plus equal random noise VUV. So we did need a vec2. That was why. So it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, see that? I don't like that. Between 0 and 1, you already get a value. It's just from 0 and 1. Why? I'm just too bad to understand what is happening there, so I will just use it and maybe, I don't know, multiply it by 0.1. Ooh. That's interesting. Oh. I like that. That's not what I want, but still, let's take that. 0. That's so cool. Why do we have already a pattern? If I multiply by, I don't know, like 1, 2, 3.0. See, we still have some patterns. Anyway, let's reduce it. Random is from 0 to 1, so if we do plus equal, it should be more. So if we remove that, it should be darker. Yeah, okay, it's working. And then we can just add plus u time, and we should get something random. Yeah, I don't like that. But we already have a pattern. Usually it's after a few seconds that we get an ugly pattern. 0.1. Like that. Alright, it's even worse. Oh, so weird. The book of shader. I think it's the same. Quite sure. Give me the formula. Just want to steal the formula. Yeah, it's the same. Not exactly. Different value there. Maybe less randomness, I don't know. Different value there. This one is the same. Oh, that's so weird. Yeah, let's test this one. Nah, same issue. But maybe if we change this. That's so sad. I have so much troubles with random today. Or let's just keep one like that. I will check that later anyway. Alright, cool. VS Code. Why not? Why not? Make some noise. Yeah, new project, easy one, quick one. I just need a cool background for the stream. When I do this. This one. Yeah. It's supposed to be a layout like this. I don't know, actually, I'm just kind of having fun as always. We'll see where it goes. So the speed is way too fast still for testing. Let's keep it. We can play with the saturation. Ooh. Low saturation. Now high lightness is quite interesting. Yeah. Zero two maybe. So yeah, I set saturation 0.32, 0.38. Yeah, why not? Yeah, okay, that's a good start. So let's add something a bit cooler. Sleeping in his plate. Like a drunk. What's the next project gonna be? I don't know. Actually, I should check my list. I think I might do where was it? The Ghost from Destiny. We talk about that. Oh, it's 30 degrees outside. Damn. Like hey, like the Ghost from Destiny that floats around the screen. Maybe we should add it to the layout too, the stream layout. I don't know. How do you know what math formula to use for shaders like math, scene, and cos, stuff like that? Or you just get that with experience? Experience, definitely, because I'm quite bad at it, so yeah. I mean, if you need to position something on a circle coordinates, well, you will use both math, scene, and cos and scene, and send the same angle. If you just want to do wave for whatever reason, well, you would use just scene, experience, as you said. Actually, see that we can do 20.0, and then if I just want the thing to do like a wave effect, I can just use scene or whatever, and then we have the wave effect. So that's the idea. I just know I can get it there because it's going from -1 to +1 to -1, so it does -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, +1. And if you use cos, you get almost the same result. It's just slightly offsetted. So yeah, you get that with experience. All right, so that's cool. Let's add some particles. Hey boy, what's up? Oh. He's not that sleepy. Might be an issue. I don't like the noise. I think I will get rid of it. We'll see. Oh, come on. Particles. Particles doesn't exist yet. Now you do exist. We're gonna need some shaders at some points, but not yet. Material mesh. It's not gonna be a mesh. Sets points. Yes, we are going to need that at some points. Let's go. Okay, cool. Particles in OpenGL. Oh, that sounds interesting. Let me check something. So, particles. So weird. Okay, now it's working. So how do you create those particles? I just want to have like floating particles that goes up. Let's get rid of the noise. It really bothers me. There. Just comment it. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh yeah, that's why I added the noise, I remember. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are some stripes, like horizontal stripes due to the lack of precision in the color. I should be fine once we have particles. So how do we do that? Yeah, we can create a geometry. Yeah, let's go. I think that's a good idea. Buffer geometry. Oh, it's been a while. That's good. I will have to practice that. So we need position. How do I call it? Position array equal new float 32 array. Let's say I don't know. How many particles do we want? Let's put it there. Count equals 100 for now. Oopsie. Come on. Okay. So multiply by 3 because x, y, z. And we can do for let I equal 0. I inferior to this count I plus plus. Okay. Then we need to fill this one, so it's gonna be, we're gonna need more attribute at some point. I multiply by 3 plus 0. I know it doesn't make sense. That, oh wait. It's supposed to be 2D coordinates only. Unless we apply some 3D just to get some perspective maybe. I don't know, let's see. I can change that later anyway. 2, then we can add those to the geometry. Is everything right or not? Yeah, okay, everything is working. So this geometry, I think it's set attribute. Used to be add attribute, now it's just set. We need a name, so the name is going to be position. New 3 float, is that it? No. Attribute. Oh, I forgot. Float 32 buffer attribute, is that it? Yeah, I think so. I don't know. We need 3, I guess. Item size, normalize. Nope, we don't need that. Alright, let's save. Okay, all good. Yeah, I probably did a mistake. If you guys see a mistake, please tell me. So then we need to play with the material. Mesh points material for now. No, just points material. Or the values. Size, I don't know, like 10 maybe. We don't need those. And we can create the points. Okay. Didn't work. Let's remove the gradient for now. Maybe it's hidden behind it. Yeah, okay, that's it. Oh wait, that's a mesh. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Why are you so big? We don't even have size generation. Why are you so big? That's weird. Okay. That's a good start. Control. Okay, that's better. What's next? Yeah, we don't get it drawn because the other one gets drawn above it, so we can fix that by telling this one to be def right pose, and we can put it back. There are many ways of fixing that. So here's the particles. We have the particles. Hey Bruno, wanted to ask if there are any good resources on Canon.js vehicle, recursor vehicle. Yeah, I used for my portfolio. I used this example, Canon.js vehicle. Vehicle, is that how you write vehicle? Recurse vehicle. I use this one. That's all. You get access to the code, and that's really the one I use. Be careful, there's a main issue with this example. The axes are different than on Three.js, and at some point I got issues, but I don't remember what exactly happened and how I fixed it. I actually, my whole portfolio, the Z is going up and not the Y because of Canon.js. So I had to do that. Maybe there's a fix now. Maybe with the Canon ES, it's better. I know that there is an issue on GitHub, and the author of Canon.js said no, there is no issue. There is one. That was a bit awkward, but yeah, anyway, I just had to change that. But yeah, that's the code. Raycast vehicle. I'm quite sure I use this one. All right, cool. Let me drink. So now we need to animate those. Instead of putting those like that, I was saying we should use... let me think. I like the fact of having it in 3D because this way we have perspective. The small one are in the back because I mean they are further, so they are smaller and they move slower too. So I think we'll use 3D. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. A bit sad for the performances, but I think it's okay. Alright, so on the Y it's gonna be 0. We need like a plane. Yeah, exactly. And then we move them according to this. So we need to use a custom shader. I never know about this one. Let me think. Shader material. Or we can use the same as for the gradient. Yeah, let's do that. For now, let's keep that. U time. You're gonna need some transparency at some point, that's sure. Gonna add quite a lot of those attributes. We can do that. What's the name? Oh yeah, particles. Maybe I should have found a better name. So then we did that. Okay, this one. We need to handle the size on this one. Let me catch. I have the code somewhere. Point vertex shader. Yeah, that's it. View matrix. No. Yeah, okay, this one is the same. And then it's GL point size. I always forget about this one. So for the beginning, we use the same usual vec2. We're going to animate the vertices. So let's separate it. Model position. So it's model matrix multiply by vec4 position 1.0. View position equal view matrix multiplied by the model position, or we can set it directly on this one. We need to create a variable for that. Projection matrix multiply view position. Alright, cool. For this one, I think we just put a color to start with. Am I editing the right one? Yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, nice. VUV, we don't need that. We don't need this. And then GL, where is it? I think it's, point size. And this is how many fragments you want. Let's say 10 for now. Oh, it's working already. What? So fast? Oh yeah, I already used the shader. Alright, that's cool. Perfect. So yeah, the camera will probably be on one side like this, so we will have to put everything lower. But we also need to make sure that the one far away are smaller, and to do that there is a magic formula I took from Three.js. Multiply by 1.0 divided by model view position. Do I have this? Yeah, it's the view position. Oops. So multiply by divided. Come on. By minus model view position dot z. I mean the view position dot z. Is that it? And now, yeah, okay. The further, the smaller. All right, cool. Let's add more perspective. Yeah. So that we feel the depth. Yeah, that's better. All right, those are smaller than those. Okay, cool. That's great. That's great. We need to decide where to put the camera. So, mode, default camera. Let's just put it there. I mean, default. And debug. Yeah, okay. Sounds good. How far it is? Is it? Actually, it's at the center. Okay, that's interesting. Should we put it back or put everything toward it, I mean, in front of it? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, let's put 5. Okay. Then the particles, we can put it down a bit. Like point. Position y equal, I don't know, like -3 to start with. Yeah, I just want to make sure that we can still see them. And then we can animate them. We need to send the time. I need to get the time. Should we do it on the model or not? Yeah, not sure. Okay, cool. And then we can update them. Oh, we already... Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's why. Okay, perfect. Then we need to make sure that they are stopping at some point. There's gonna be a mode. Actually, yes, I know. We need to use something like progress instead. Yeah, we need a progress value. So, float progress equal. We need to have some random value there, but we can use an attribute. Let's use position array, progress, yeah, array, it's just like that. Progress array, match random. So it's from 0 to 1, and we send the I to it. Then we can create a progress, A for attribute. Attribute, I think we said. And here we can get it, attribute, float a progress, something like that. Plus equal time, and we need to make sure that this stop at 1. So we do, oops, what the, yeah, okay, that's better. Let's use that here. Yeah, okay, we get this. Oh, that's weird. Oh, because there is a progress. Okay. Still, the value is different than what I thought. So, mod, and we stop it to 1.0, and it should do something like that. So, yeah, okay, that's perfect. Then we can control the elevation with, I don't know, like 10.0. Way too fast. Yeah, okay, nice. This is one way. Let me catch up with the chat. Oh, not much chat. Good. It would be sick that the points are no of viewer. What do you mean? The points are no of viewer, none of viewer. What? I mean, the points are the viewers. Number of viewers. Like the more viewers, the more points there is. That's a good idea. I like that. I don't think I will implement it right away, but yeah, I like this idea. Maybe later. My little brother and I are remaking the map from The Division using... Oh, that's great. Actually, is it The Division? Oh no, that was a Ghost Recon Breakpoint that they did. Make Me Pause did one. Let me find it. Let's see. That might interest you. Make Me Pause, Ghost Recon Breakpoint. I don't think it's online anymore. Oh, Wildlands. Yeah, that's it. I didn't play Wildlands. I played the next one, which was... Oh, sure, I forgot. Yeah, I don't even know. A World with No Heroes. Yeah, that's it. I don't think this website is on anymore. But yeah, that's not what you're trying to make. UI, games, UI, games, UI, UI in games. Shit, what's the name of it? Interface in game, yeah. Oops. I'm quite sure it's over there. Oh. What was the name? Shoot, I forgot. The Division, yeah. Oh, that's the number 2. I wanted the number 1. Actually, this one might be cool too. Yeah, I really like what they did here. Too bad that they presented something that they could not create at the end, but yeah. Why only the first one? Oh, that's sad. Yeah, there's so much many good ideas. I didn't play the second one. I was interested, but no friends to play with. So yeah, so cool. Yeah, I like what they did. Good idea. Please show us the progress. Twitch API. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that. All right, let's move on. So we have those beautiful ugly particles. Let's improve this. Maybe we can go there. Let's start with something white. Yeah, let's make it round. I should probably use a texture, right? Is Photoshop working? Always the case. Yeah, let's create a quick one with Photoshop. Echo points? What's that? To scan the map, something like this. Oh, we can use this one. Ah, yeah, we use this one for Google Home lights. Yeah, let's use this one. So how do we export on PC? Export as, I guess. Might wake up. PNG is fine. At least we don't get artifacts. Transparency, nope. Smaller or not? Yeah, I guess it's fine. I never know if I should use that or not. 32 might be a bit small. Still, that's the best we can do because the image is 32. The base image. Convert to sRGB. Not really. Alright, let's go. It's gonna be work files, Steam background, static, assets, by Lena. We just need particles. Particles? Never know. Mask. Oh no, he's awake. The beast has awakened. Okay, the beast is sleeping. Google Drive did an update on their app. For now, I think it's a bad idea. Let's not talk about that. Why? Okay, because I saved Photoshop. Yeah, okay, he's figuring out that it's not in the same folder. Anyway, let's load it. So where it is? Is it? We don't need Lena anymore, so it's gonna be particle mask, texture, particle mask, and it's a texture. Yeah, perfect. Then we can send it. So we don't need the camera, I think. Gradient, not anymore. Yeah, we can put it there. Actually, you probably don't need... Oh, I forgot. We need the resources. And we can send it there. You mask. I will not use like a custom shader because it's bad for performances. But the cool thing, if you use a custom shader, you can fake blur particles out of focus by playing with, I don't know, like how you draw the particle. But yeah, that's really bad for performances, so let's not do it. Value, something like that. Is that the right one? No, it's texture, I guess. Yeah, let's just make sure I did no mistake there. Yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, cool. So now we have the mask. The problem is that we can't access the VUV because there is no VUV. I think it's GL point code. Is it GL point code? Yeah, that's it. So, Vec. No, it's just a float. Float mask strength equal texture 2D. According to that, we need to load it. I really not focus at all. I said that a lot. Always less focus when I stream. Probably logical. I don't know. And we take only one channel, probably this one, and we do that. Nope, that wasn't it. Oh, sampler 2D. Yeah, that's cool. That's looking pretty cool. Nice. You always say it's bad for performances, but in one point or another, everything is bad for perf. Yeah, but if you have choice, let's use the least worst, the best one. As long as you know what you're going into. My new project take 1 minute to load. I'm really confused about Three.js performances. 1 minute to load. My guess is you have too much textures. You are using the wrong texture formats. You have too much to, I don't know, maybe uncompress. Can you leave Google Drive? Okay. That's probably a reason. I mean, yes, there is a reason, obviously, but 1 minute to load. Yeah, I don't know. Moderation. Hi, dear lovely teacher. Oh, so much love. I sent some hugs. Where are the hugs? Hug. Is it working? Oh yeah, it's still working. Yeah, I can send only one. Check network tab and each script that is loading slowly, probably uncompressed library imports. Ah, that's weird. Is it really Three.js doing that? Sounds weird. The component already could with share. Oh, no Photoshop, not again. Yeah. Can the particles be little pseudo faces? We could. No, I want something clean. Okay, let's make it cooler. So first, we need to make sure that they are going from. We need a lot of things. Here are some tips to get better particles. First, you need randomness. Currently, they are all the same. You need to create random sizes from smallest possible value to biggest possible value. let's use size array. It's a math random, and we can just do a size and use the sizes array. Size array. Yeah, I should do that because it's the attribute. Okay, then we can do that. A size and multiply. Yeah, this one. Yeah, already better. Then we should make sure that those cannot pop on the view. Neither on the top. So what we can do is just move it down, I think. -5 maybe. Sounds good. Yeah, okay. That's better. Then we can play with the alpha tool. That point depends, not always. Let's see how it goes. Alpha, so it's the same. A alpha. Oops. No, that's not it. Alpha array. Yeah, more like it. So we need to send it. Oops. Oh, come on. I'm on PC. Stop using Mac shortcuts. We need to send it. So varying v alpha. So it's a float. Yeah, that's cool. Then we need more of those. Boom. That's it. Oh, we have an issue. Classic issue. Actually, let's use the additive blending. Simple fix. And that's bad for performances. If it doesn't look that great, maybe we'll get rid of it actually. Oh yeah, no, that's better. What do we have this? What? If we have additive blending, we can just deactivate the def test or def right. Actually, we should get the same result. Yeah, that's looking cool. But we can do better. Yeah. Maybe they should be a bit smaller actually. We're going to do something else bad for performances. We're going to add some tweaks too. Yeah, I like it. That's cool. It's looking good. Teacher 3.js website are much better and more beautiful than the normal websites. Yeah, I mean that's a huge step up when you add some 3D. Still should have a point or just make some buzz or just for the wow effect. But yeah, why don't so many people try to use 3.js to build their website? Because it's super hard. Don't you agree? It's not accessible. As always, as I explain to my students, some people tell me, no, it's just too hard, I don't have time. Well, the harder it is, the more valuable your skill will be. Because if it's harder, less people will do it, and you will have more job offer than people doing the job. So that's it. So if it's hard, do it. WebGL is more performant comparing to CSS and JavaScript animation. Well, actually, you know that if you do a CSS animation while using like a wheel change and the right way, this is the GPU working. So it depends on the animation you're doing. But if you are like animating a transform, be aware that it's the GPU working just like WebGL. I think actually it's WebGL. But yeah, usually just doing simple only WebGL on the website is probably better for performances if you can do it. Is it good for performance in a website? What part? Oh, the question was 3.js. I mean, it's more than just like, I don't know, like text, images. So yeah. Are the particles recycled when they are out of the camera view? No, they are being sent in the sky, as you can see, and now they are part of the sky. Now the trick is here, check that. The progress is a value that goes from 0 to 1. Alright, it's just a value, it goes from 0 to 1. I just do some calculation and it goes from 0 to 1. Then I use this progress value to make them go higher. And I can show you actually, check that. See? Now they don't go that high. I'm still using the same progress value that goes from 0 to 1, but I multiply by 3 for the position on the y-axis. So now they go from 0 to 3, and when they reach the top, they come back to the beginning. And actually, I can even show you that by putting this here. See? There, and poof. This one, follow this one closely, closely, closely. Check at the bottom. Okay, it's a bit long, sorry. And poof, it's there. That's how I do it. There are probably many other ways of doing that, but I think it's a good solution. If we want a cool live background and use the lights on object on the scene, should we use shaders or lights, or probably just lights? No custom shader? Really depends on what you want to create, but yeah, classic materials with the lights might be a good idea. I steal your last project. Is there any problem, teacher? What do you mean? What last project? Oh, the room. Oh, please do. Do whatever you want. As long as you don't just take it and say you did it, I'm okay with that. Other particles, I've always forgot to put the license. Anyway. Other particles, okay, we say that. Okay, cool. Teacher, website, much better. Okay, nice. Well, that's looking pretty neat. We need to add some wind. Yeah, we're going to use some Perlin noise. That's bad for performances. I should have an emote or an animation that's bad for performances. Give me 1 minute, I'm coming back. Okay, I think he's going to wake up soon. Worse than a child. So sleeping in his plate. Do we say plate? I don't think we say plate. Where the dog eats. So there's always the same number of particles on the screen. Yeah, that's it. Alright, cool. So it's working nice. I like it. Can we play a bit with that and lightness? Okay, he's drinking. That's bad. I mean, that's good, but one more reason to walk in. Okay, maybe something like that. 014, 033. Yeah, we'll take that later. So, we can do...
Hey, buddy. Hello. Hey, what's up, bro? Okay. Ça va, mon pote?
Okay. Huge risk of rain. If you see boy moving in my back, please tell me. I really need you. Next part. Yeah, we need to... Those are way too linear. We need to add... we need tweaks, by the way. But we also need to make them fly in the wind. And there was actually... interface... What was the name? Interface in games. That was a good example I saw this afternoon. And it was... Frostpunk. What's happening? So weird. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, now it's working. Yeah, see that? Oh, there's something much better actually. It's that there are strokes. Yeah, this part would be very complicated. It will take quite a lot of time to make them strokes according to the speed. And it might be bad for performances as always. Yeah, anyway, we have those like playing in the wind. That's what we want to achieve. And maybe we can play on the Z2. Everything needs to be way darker, I think. Oh, actually, we are quite close to this result. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, sleeping in the bed. All good. We need a boy cam. Yeah, I know. I'm working on that. I'm just too tired. Okay, let's do that. So we need to play. We need a purling. Yeah, let's do that. JSL purling noise. You know where this is going. Patricio. As always, to the rescue. We are going to use the classic one, and let's try to do it in 3D only. Yeah, so that's the one. And we should put it there. We need some pragma thingy. Yeah, no choice. Partials. Oh, we can take it from the other project. Where is the other project? There. Shaders. Partials. Oh no. That into the... Okay, so 2D only. Anyway, we can take it... At least the pragma part. So Berlin 3D.GLSL. A 4D would have been even better to mimic kind of the randomness of the wind. But 4D is even worse for performances. So let's use this one instead. So thank you, Stefan Gustafsson. Okay, that. And yeah, I was going to use that. So Berlin 3D. Berlin 3D. Okay, and then we can use it. I think it was like this. Yeah. And we can use it from here. And it's the Berlin 3D. Oh yeah. Okay, I didn't break anything. That's cool. 2 minutes. What the? What happened? You guys have information? Oh, really? And why do we have 160 viewers? What happened? What is happening? Let me check. Oh yeah, we have that much report. That's so weird. So this one is working. Uptime. Alright, I guess you guys lost me for a moment. Have you ever tried beef jerky? What's that? I'm making some today. Is that cooking question? I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna be great. We are switching to cooking. Twitch things. No, I think it was me because remember I was navigating on this website and something broke. Maybe it was my connection. I don't know. That's weird. Anyway, we are assuming. Oh yeah, the bitrate is so low. Alright, I don't know. Let's continue. Let's continue. Bandwidth, Brainstorming. Yeah. Something is weird is happening. Can you guys hear me normally or what? Let me close some stuff maybe. What can take the connection? I have such a good connection. Why? Okay, let me remove stuff. Sound is okay, fine too. Okay, cool. Little hiccup. Yeah, I don't think we have 160 viewers. I think it's a merge. Like you guys are being counted twice. Anyway, I've been having random issue with Twitch in the last few days. Oh, okay. Maybe they are being attacked or something like that. I don't know. Aye. Yeah, he's waking up. No. Yeah, light sleeping. So now that we have access to Perrin, what we can do is, let me think. First, I think we'll make them all move. No, we can already do that. Let's see. Perrin 3D, we're going to move it on the X only. I think it will do the trick. So model, oops. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, nice. Oh, too much. Okay, why not? Let's reduce it. Make it stronger. We need some tweaks. Oh. Ah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's it. What if we have a larger screen? Oh yeah, that's what I thought. It's going to be yeah, like classic full HD, so we need to make sure that it's wider than the depth. Oh, I'm getting tired. So maybe if we put, I don't know, like 20 here. Yeah, that does the trick. Need more. Yeah, that's it. It's working. Which means it's all mesh basic material, maybe X and a little bit Y we make more realistic. Oh, I think it's cool like that, no? It's baked from Blender. Which mesh material did you use to make your room? Yeah, everything is baked. So yeah, indeed it's mesh basic material, but the trick is the textures. I can show you easily. Check in the network. The images, I use JPEG because lazy. JB. Here you go. See that? Those are the textures. I love to see baked textures. So beautiful. Anyway, okay, it's looking well. Shall we continue? Maybe it needs to be even more smaller because, yeah, probably. Smaller. Where is the size? Oh, let's put, yeah, we need some uniforms, so. Calm down. Size. Let's go. Value. So what's the base size? 50. All right, cool. 50. Then if this debug. So it's this one. Yeah, I forgot the comma. Uniforms. Use size. Value. Oh, come on. Value. Oh, by the way, I can show you so that you guys can test. Let's add the tweaks, then I will send it to you. Let's say 200 step, we don't really care. 0.1 should be more than enough. And we need to change the label too, because value is not very efficient. Okay, nice. So now we need to be able to use it. So use size, it's the first one. No, let's put the time at first. I prefer that. And let's use the same order there. Yeah. Use size. Yeah. All right. Okay, that's one. Then we need to change the speed, the Y speed. What do we need? So this is the amplitude. We don't really care. This is the Y. Ah, no, this is the progress. Progress is from 0 to 1. So we can just say uniform, float, U, progress, speed. It's going to be very small. I don't think TweetPan will like this one. Let's test. We'll see where it goes. Let's go. Progress speed. Oops. Like that. And it's from... that's going to be tricky. Well, let's put 1. It's gonna be like super precise. I don't like that. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. We can save. Okay, it's working. So fast, slow. Yeah, even faster. Let's do it like that. Ooh, yeah. Not that fast though. Yeah, a bit too much too. Okay, nice. Next. Bruno, what do you think about Blender 3? I didn't test it yet. No. Actually, we should download it. 3. I guess it's in alpha, right? But we already have access to it. Best new features. And advertising. Bye. Oh, I hate that so much. The swirling effect is very cool. Nice. Glad you like it. Quite like it when it's slowed down. Yeah, I think it's better. Just like PS4 screen. When you boot up, there is a... Maybe it was a PS3 actually. There is this small animation in the back. Yeah, I think it's cool. Maybe those points need to be reworked too. I don't know. Let's see. It is, which means it's all mesh basic material. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. One moment. Okay. Okay, all good. So yeah, we need to play with the rest of the values, so we can play with this one. Alright, so we have the purling frequency. Should we call it purling? Yeah, let's keep the purling. You understand? So jazzy. Purling frequency. Frequency. Yeah, why not? So 0.2. Purling frequency. After that, we create the smoke, maybe a vignette effect, and I think we are done. That would be weird. No, I'm sure it will last at least 2 sessions. The purling frequency can go from, I don't know, 0 to 10 maybe. We don't need so much precision, maybe that much. No, that's not it. Forgot to save. Yeah. Yeah, okay, maybe not that much. 1. Yeah, it's working. Then we need to play with the strength. Would it be strength? Maybe multiplier. Purling multiplier. What was the value? Already forgot. 3. Alright. Even more. I don't know. Maybe. Purling multiplier. Shoot, I already forgot. Was it 3? I guess. Yeah. Okay, nice. So we can have like a huge one like that. Bit weird. The initial value was pretty cool actually. Maybe we will keep that. Yeah, I like the fact that some get compressed. Yeah, this one is fine. 0. Actually, that's very close to what we already have. 14. 5. And if we want to create some randomness, because right now I think we will always get that result, we can just offset this one. Yeah, maybe something like that. 0.0. The U-time. What is it? U-time. Yeah. U-time 0.0. So right now it's going to be a mess. Okay. Oh, that's weird. And then we slow it down quite a lot. That's why it's usually better to use what's the name? Seconds instead of milliseconds, especially for shaders. Yeah, okay. Should break at some point. Maybe more. Yeah, that's it. It's on the right. We have compression there too. At some point it will get back, I guess. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. And we don't have that many particles. Ooh, more. See, not even 1 millisecond. Maybe in full screen. 1 millisecond. Yay, so cool. I'm like a child. Alright, but that's too much. Okay, I like it. That's cool. Cool. Okay, next part. Just check something. Okay. I lost the chat. Where's the chat? Oh, there. Reverse knowing. Yes. Those are more like ashes. Quebec in a few months. Oh, thank you for the sub, MFS Murillo. Murillo? You like Messi? I don't watch football. Never. The swelling effect is very cool. I quite like it when it's slowed down. Yeah. Alright, that's cool. Let's add some smoke. Probably not a good idea, but we'll see. We need some... How should we do that? Let me think. Should it be in the background? Probably. Ah, this might get a bit tricky. Let's think. Yeah, we can probably. Still sleeping. Yeah, let's do the smoke. Let me check. We have the gradient, the color animation, though we need to tweak it. The particles, we will tweak them too. And vignette effect, yeah, do we really need vignette effect? Maybe not. Not necessarily. Yeah, let's do the smoke. Not sure for the vignette effect. Alright. I'm not sure it's a good idea to put it in the background. Yeah, let's create another one, just in case at some point we need to separate them. It's not that bad for performances, or for once I'm saying that. Smoke. Did I forget some... maybe I forgot some tweaks. So this one is fine. This one we don't care, as long as it's randomized. Okay, no, this one is fine too. Yeah, and this is just the particle being displayed. No, I think those are fine. Very small particles are cool too. Let's reduce the size of the particles. When you create something, you always want it to be as visible as possible, and I always fall in that mistake, making particles too big. It's not realistic. Let's reduce the size. Where are you? 30? Yeah, even less. 25. Okay, that's better. So, smoke, geometry, colors, no materials. Yes, and what did I use to start with? Yeah, I used the mesh, that's it. Good idea. We will get rid of those. We need the time. Yes, we are going to send the size. Like that. Yeah, let's do that later. View time, why not? Def right, false. Yeah. We don't need the colors. I'm getting tired, sorry. Smoke. Alright, cool. So, the world. Particles, gradient. Let's put the particles at the end, so it's gonna be smoke. Set gradient. And if we have it, we update it. Oopsie. Alright, nice. We don't need that. Okay, that's cool. Then we can just do... no, it's control. Yeah, because I'm on PC. Yay. I didn't push anything. Oh, sorry, I said let's push it so that you guys can test on your computer. Okay, still sleeping. So, can I push just that part or not? No, that was probably a bad idea to start something else. Anyway, I will push it. Just give me a moment. VUV, why not? VUV 1.0. Fragment. Yeah, not much. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Let me remove it quickly. So we can do just that. Yeah, okay, cool. So, let me check on Vercel what I did. Oh. No, that's not the right keyboard. Steam background, is it working? Okay, it's already working. I'm not going to create a branch just for that. Because it's not too heavy, we don't have models, not many textures. Oh, let's get rid of Lena first. it's not the project. Work files, stream background, yeah. Nope, where am I going? Assets, yeah. By Lena, this one we need to keep it. Okay, I didn't break anything. So git add all, git commit here, -m, sparkles, add gradient, and particles. Yeah. That much? Yeah, it looks like so. Alright, cool. So, how fast are you going to update? Let me check there. It's building. Give it a few seconds. It's quite long. Too bad there isn't that much to update. Let me check the chat while waiting. Yeah, Bruno explain familiarly with examples, only so you understand. Yay! Like the example of Three.js, hovering mouse for having live effect like this. If Galaxy 1, Portal 1, HTML link, one depends on what you mean, full project. Is there a full project in Three.js Journey? Yeah, I get this question a lot. There are kind of full projects, but not too much classic website implementation. Like you will not have many pages on your website with a... Calm down. Yeah, it's not that advanced. It's really focused on Three.js with just 1 or 2 lessons with some HTML integration and no Vue.js, no React, no SEO tips and things like that. So, yeah. But still, there are huge projects. The last project is a portal, which is kind of what I did for my room in 3D with the baking technique. It's something like 7 hours, so quite a big project. That's... All right, so is it up to date? Oh, come on. Why is it so long? 2 minutes? Not updated? That's weird. Okay, now it's fine. Come on. Come on. That's weird. Add gradient and particles. Yeah, it's supposed to be it. Okay. It doesn't want to update. Anyway, let's continue. We'll check that later. Let's make it this one a bit darker. Where is it? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I need to test with the full overlay anyway. Oh, it's not updating. What is happening, Vessel? Probably did something wrong. Why don't you update? Why don't you update? Why don't you update? I did push. I'm supposed to have push everything. Settings. This. No, there is no specific branch to push. No, the branch is supposed to be main. That's weird. So I don't think you guys will be able to test. It's so weird because Vercel did receive my commit, did the update, but we have nothing. Oh, the domain has changed. What the? Huh? That's so weird. I think I broke something. Okay. domain has changed. Yeah, sorry, you guys won't be able to test, I guess. Or maybe with that. Oh, actually, I think I broke something too. If I don't put the debug, we get an error. Yeah, that's on me. Let's fix that first. Then I can send you the temporary URL. It's gonna be on gradient. Ah, yes, obviously. Let's make sure that we have the debug mode if you want to add debug stuff to the debug tweak. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay, and the URL is gonna be production deployment domain. That's so weird. Yeah, I think I messed up something with Vercel, but this one should work. Yeah, okay, that's the link that you guys should use. Copy l'addresse du lien. Yeah, okay, that's it. What is it in French? Okay, oh, that's not it. What is that? What is that? Ah, okay, that wasn't the real name. I broke it even more. Nice, that's great. Okay. Yeah, okay, sorry guys, no test for you. It's starting to bother me, and I'm losing my focus. So, the smoke. Let's add smoke. So here it is. We need, not fire. That's a good joke. We need the same Perlin that we use for this one, and it was inside the vertex. Yeah, you can just copy that. Perlin, smoke, strength. Like that. Okay, nice. Then we need to make sure that it can be transparent. I don't think that's the case. Yeah. Yeah, okay, nice. Then we need to, should we use a 2D? It's gonna be probably better for performances. We'll see that later. Vec2, let's use smoke UV because we're gonna need the base UV later. So VUV multiplied by 10, but we're gonna have an issue with the resolution of the window. We can fix that later. Yeah, okay, that's some ugly smoke. We need to work on that. Oh, did we have a... Oh no, not again. Uh-oh. Okay, it's working. Hi Bruno, for a string. TH for a string? What's TH? Sorry, my English isn't that great. What do you think about WebGSL? What's WebGSL? The new shader language? For WebGPU, I tried. That looks so hard. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to it, but that look overcomplicated. My guess is it's just because I'm not used to it. But for now, it feels hard. So I will have to teach to learn it good enough to be able to teach it. So we'll see where it goes. Everything is okay? Okay, cool. Yay, hugs. Main versus master. No, it's on the main, and Vercel did detect the update and did build everything, but it's staying like the previous version, so I don't know. Yeah, I did check the logs, everything is fine. How did you get into programming? Did you study computer science? By the way, nice portfolio. Thank you. I just wanted to create I discovered Flash. That's all. I was doing design. Design is cool, but it was frustrating because you kind of design stuff but not create it. It was really frustrating. So I started to create my own stuff, and it was using Flash. I had fun creating games, then Apple decided to kill Flash, so bye-bye. That's probably where the grudge against Apple started. and yeah, after that I was doing, I don't know, JavaScript, PHP, many things like that, backend, frontend, full stack. And then I was like, oh, that's cool, we can create 3D stuff. So I started WebGL, and here am I. We are counting on you to learn all that WebGPU stuff to teach it to us. Yeah, I will, that's for sure. I mean, if WebGPU settle down and is as good as promised, and Three.js start to support it, obviously I will add lessons about that. That's for sure. That's for sure. 1.2k points. What kind of points? Yeah, if you're talking about stream points, we don't have much to do with points. You can use the say command if you want. Oops, I'm not at the right position. Yeah.
Use the say command.
That's all. I need to work on that. Alright, so can we get a cool smoke out of this? So the first thing, yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay, it's Windows separating them. Ah, I don't like that. Get away.
Okay.
Get away, get away, get away. Okay, and you there. And that. Oh, come on again. I don't like that. Anyway, that's a cool feature, but I don't like it. So we need to send the size of the viewport, and when it's,
Okay, portfolio guy.
when it gets resized, we need to update it. At the end, it's gonna be a full HD resolution, but still, let's make sure that it's working on any resolution. So let's go. U size. The portfolio guy. Yeah, my main issue is that can I make a better portfolio? Should I even try? I don't know. I have some ideas. It's gonna take months. So width and height, I broke everything. Value, new 3 vector. Maybe I don't have 3. Yes, I do. Width and height. Ah, yeah, we need to config. Oh, he's still sleeping. Okay, now we have the size. We will need to update it when we do some resize. Oops, that's not what I meant. Yeah, okay, that's it. Here we can get it. So no, uniform. Back to U size. And I don't know how to use it exactly. Divided, maybe? Oopsie. U size. Smoke UV. 100. Oh, wait, I know. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and now if I resize... Oh, it's still doing that. Oh yeah, because I'm not resizing. Yeah, that's it. So maybe we need to multiply instead. Yeah, that's more like it. So multiply. So now it's the opposite. This is how I code. Some people think I'm super smart or what, but I just test value until it looks good. See? That's better. And now, if I refresh, okay, it's still the same. But we need to make sure that it does that when we resize, and we can do this. So we have the updates, we can do a resize one. And we need to do quite the same thing as that. Let's use this one. It's gonna be the U size. Value dot set. And we can use the same ones, which are those, and we need to make sure that we are calling this one, and I think we have a resize there. Yeah, so cool. I'm not touching the keyboard. What was that? Okay. So I was saying I need a new keyboard, maybe now is the good time. No, it's resize, not size, come on. Okay, cool. So, yeah, okay. Now we have, see, the pattern stays the same. Oh, that's weird. Regardless of the size of the viewport. That's cool. Is that the steam from the coffee mug? Oh yeah, we are using probably the same algorithm. Awesome storytelling project, not just a simple game. Maybe a spaceship instead of a car. No, it's kind of, the ideas I have are quite deep and really hard technically. You need to sub. Oh, why didn't it work? When you said it didn't work, say this isn't distracting at all. Oh, that's weird. You just need to be sub. Are you? The say command only works if you're a sub. Prime Gaming, does that mean that you subbed? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. We need to play with those values a lot. A lot. A new project? Oh, talking about Madbox. Hey, Pratamesh. What's up, by the way? Yeah, finally. I actually finished this one probably like 2 months ago. Yeah, they needed more time to finish everything. Alright, so let's do something with the smoke. We need to make sure that it fades out. We need to play with the pattern because right now it doesn't look like smoke. We need to animate it, and we need to animate it on multiple manners. One, that it goes so that it goes up, but also some randomness. Okay, let's go. So we have the U. No, we don't have the U time yet. So float U time. Smoke. Oh, we already have it. What? That's weird. Okay, nice. Smoke UV. We can do smoke UV dot y minus equal U time. Yeah, nice. Then we can play with this one. Yeah, okay. We need something much smaller. Okay, looking good. We can make sure that it's fading out by using that. Let me think. VUV.y, just that. Oh, it's 0 at the bottom, so we need the opposite. So 1.0 minus this. Yeah, okay, already better. Maybe we need to apply a power on that. 2.0. Maybe not. Yeah. It's okay. Noise machine. And stop coding. No, it's not true. I had this question a while ago. How much do I code? I think I code something like, it really depends on what I'm doing the day, but like coding days and maybe coding 5 hours a day. I heard, and yeah, the story was someone said like I code 16 hours a day. First, that was a lie. This person wasn't coding 60 hours a day. And if he does that, well, that's probably shitty code because at some point you think more than you code. Unless it's just like copy and pasting stuff and just writing text or whatever. So you don't need to code that much to be a good coder. Yeah, I think I'm around 5 hours a day of free coding. Otherwise, just thinking, creating assets and meetings and deciding stuff and resting. Chilling and lurking. Better not lose incredible. Nah, we need to work on that, but I know how to improve this one. Transparency though. Yeah, we need to also to make sure that we can map the value. It goes from minus. Usually this polynomial goes from a little below -1 and a little above 1. I'm not sure though. Yeah, we need some mapping on that. But the real thing that we must do is apply a displacement on it, and we can do that by using another Berlin. So, or maybe just on the Y. Oh yeah, let's do that. Let me think. Should we do it before or after? Okay. Okay, I'm probably doing some mistakes now. I'm getting super tired, so we're probably messed up, but still we can finish on that. I don't even know how long have I been I'm streaming. I think I started at around 4. The uptime is not the right value. We had an issue. Yeah, this is not the right value. Oops, I didn't press folio. Huh. Okay, more bugs. I'm beginner and I enjoy this too much and I spend a lot of hours per day. Ah, yeah. What about at learning time? What do you mean? What about at learning time? Do you mean when I was learning, how much was I coding? Same. I think the same. Yeah. I guess. Not sure. Probably. So yeah, let's apply the Berlin on that. So it's gonna be this. We need a different value. I don't know. I really don't know. We need to test some values. Yuck. That's ugly. Let me think. Can we just type smoke? Yeah, probably. No, it's not that messy. Alright, I get it. Are you up to date? No, this one is broken. I will fix a Vercel later. So, if we do that, that's not working at all. If we do that... Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's it. This one is getting somewhere. Multiply by 2, maybe? No, not too much. Oops. Yeah, that's it. We need to play with the VUV. Let me think. If we do VUV, what do we get? No. We need to do the smoke UV. Quite sure of it. This one might be a bit faster. Yeah, that's working. We need it to be more like stretch on the Y, so we can probably just do Y multiply by 2.0, which is exactly the opposite. I knew it. That was a test. Ah, not bad. We need to play to have more control over the frequency. So let's go. Yes, debug. Come on. All right. If we do plus, we get this. Minus, we'll get the same result, I think. Yeah, we get the same result because it's positive and negative. Let me think. If we have more on the frequency of this one, it's weird. Let's see even more. Probably even weirder, but just want to check. Yeah, maybe we need to combine them. And if it's less... not a big fan. Just one. Smoke UV. Maybe we should just offset it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, not bad. Aye. We also need to offset it on the X. Yeah. Let's see. No, that's not what I meant. Okay, that one is weird. Oh, we are doing displacement. So yeah, no, that's not what I meant. Still, it's supposed to be on this. Yeah, I don't like where this is going. Should it be before? Oh, yeah, maybe there's something there. So maybe a bit less. Yeah, okay. I think that's it. It looks really ghosty. Maybe too much. We need a lot of tweaks. Okay, that one is not bad. Stronger. Yeah, the problem is that we are not going to have a lot of variation on this one. It's applied directly after the smoke UV is set. Yeah, we get always this pattern. I don't like that. Not bad. Not bad, but I'm not a big fan right now. I think we can do better. I need some examples, but I didn't find any. I think there was some cool one on interface game, but I could not find them. Oh, what was that? Interface in game. The fall-off is too hard. Yeah, you think? I don't know. Make sure that this one is not displayed, maybe. The mean value. I don't know. You can find some smoke. Which one could have smoke? Credits, dialogue, game over. I don't know. Yeah, maybe Destiny. I think I would be able to just find smoke examples. We have some smoke there. Not convincing though. Never played this game. Yeah, I don't think I will find smoke. Anyway, I'm probably too tired to do creative stuff. Oh, we have smoke there. Not animated though. Yeah, we are far from that. Ah, yes, I know. We need different frequencies. Which will be quite complex to achieve with the state of the code right now. Yeah. Hey, Obi-Wan. Oh, we're doing like a cool background. It's going well, but yeah, I messed up with the smoke. I need to fix it. Now it's been more than 15 minutes. We had a break at some point. I think my connection, my bandwidth just dropped. Shouldn't say this, but actually spend an unhealthy amount of time on Three.js Journey. Cannot be unhealthy. Every detail, so one lesson takes me more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You can also redo the lesson. I think that might work too. I don't know. It's up to how you learn. I didn't know that you were on Twitch. So, yay! Should I follow my Twitter? Oh, actually, I forgot to tweet today. I'm not going to do it. A bit too late. Can you guys see, boy? Yeah, no, you can't. Yeah, we need a dog cam. I know. No, it was much longer. I started at 4 and right now it's 6.5, so it's been yeah, a bit more than 2 hours. So let's get back to the smoke. Right now it's not looking great. We need to fix some stuff. So yeah, okay, this was the initial one. Indeed, let's take Perlin today because I know it's going to be bad for performances if we continue like that. So GLSL, Perlin, noisy, maybe. Yeah, they are using textures, much better for performances. But I want to have fun, play with the Perlin. One easy smoke you can do is really like just the texture we just saw, like smoke. You take one, obviously make sure you are allowed to do that, but one that is fade, yeah, this one, that's perfect. You take this one, you create a few plants and you just rotate them like that. Just like that. Actually, should we do that? And the Perlin is fine, but it's going to be a lot of work to get something looking good. Yeah. But I don't think I'm allowed. Yeah, it's on Shutterstock. First, this one, we can't use it. Almost sure of it. We can create it in Photoshop, but I don't think I will do that live. Yeah, you know what? That was a good idea. Who said that? Joakiru. Yeah, you're right. I think I will go for that. Just create some plan. This will actually probably be interesting. I did it, but I don't remember for what website. Oh, it was. Oh, yeah, that was like almost 6 years ago, I think. A very old website I did for perfume, and there was some immersive sections. And I did that in CSS with the same kind of smoke, very similar to what I just shown. I don't know. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I will probably create one offline, and we will finish on the next session. And then I will probably start a brand new project. We'll see what project. Hey, Vino. Do a particle simulation. Yeah, we might be... the problem with particles is that in for most GPUs, when the center of the particle is out of the viewport, the particle disappears. So if you use huge particles, we'll have some clipping, suddenly they disappear. You better just create some planes and rotate the planes, or some tricks like that. You can even use instance. Oh, it's a bit too much, but still you can. I think I would just create a bunch of planes and rotate those planes. We'll see that. We are creating a cool background for the stream, for when I click on that. Just for fun, actually. This one is already enough, but I want to make something cooler. So yeah, we did that. Let's get rid of this one. Where was it? There. So set smoke. Let's get rid of it. I really like this one. Should we be able to change the count? That's a bit tricky. Yeah, let's finish with that. Boy is still sleeping. So this .debug folder, add input. Let's put it with a line break. Yeah, more line breaks. This count on change. So what's the right way of doing it? Set geometry, we update it, then we use it. Yeah, okay. Set geometry. You don't like this? Oh, count like this. Let's use maybe 100. Max, let's put a big fat max, like 500,000 particles, probably a bad idea, we'll see where it goes. The main reason why it's bad idea is because I'm using what's the name? Additive blending. When the particles are that small, we can probably get rid of the additive blending. Yeah, we'll see. Step 1. Yeah, okay, so if we do that, it doesn't change anything because this geometry is not being used. What we can do is destroy the previous one. So if there is already a geometry, we do this geometry dispose, like that. So right now it's going to break. Oh, it's not breaking it. That's weird. Okay, why not? Actually, let's use 100. Then, if we update the geometry, we can just do this mesh.geometry. Oh no, points. Cool. About this geometry. Is it working like that or what? Yeah, it's working. That's nice. 500,000 particles. It's working like a charm. I love it. Okay, right now it's pushing a bit. Oh, why? Why is it so good on performances? I'm not using my gaming PC, but still. Should we add more? Yeah, let's add more. 5 billion particles. Ready? Okay, we have 3 billion. Okay, now it's getting slow. Let's deactivate the blending. Where is it? There. Not much better. All right, let's put it full. 5 billion particles. That's it. Strangely, it's working. Why not? I lost my cursor. Where's my cursor? Okay, there. So let's not do that. Yeah, let's keep the additive blending. There are not that much of those. I will remove it because most computer will probably just break if people put it to the maximum value. It's already quite a lot, especially if you increase the size. Yeah, see. Ooh, that's mesmerizing. I don't know what you guys see with the compression. Wow. Alright, I'm just breaking my my eyes. What is your GPU? It's how do we say that? RTX, but not the latest RTX, old ones. Yeah, that would have fit for Christmas, indeed. All right, that was cool. So yeah, as I said, I will probably work on the smoke, a bit later. Still, I think it's looking good. That's quite close of what I wanted to achieve. I like the fact that we can have multiple colors. I will probably tweak it once I add the rest, because small reminder, I need something like that, or like that. Well, we can't see much. Yeah, so that we have the particles in the back, like that. So yeah. Actually, that was probably a bad idea, too much details. Nah, I think it's fine. It's gonna be cool. Oh, yeah, almost the same one there. Anyway. Let's finish. Let's wrap everything up. Let's make sure. Yeah, the vignette, I don't think I will do it. The smoke, I will redo it. Let's just push the way it is. Okay, nice. What time is it? Almost 7. Okay, cool. Let me check something. Okay, that's cool too. All right. Oops. No, let's not break that. So, let's do the giveaway. My guess is that we are not going to have that many people up for the giveaway because I didn't tweet about it. So, who's up for the giveaway? Let's see, let's see. Oh, Trustcode is live. Yeah, we're going to red Trustcode. I didn't receive a notification. Never mind, I did. Trustcode is live. So yeah, let's do the giveaway. So if you guys want to learn how to create this kind of stuff, the best way to do that is by using the course I created, which is Three.js Journey. And if you want a chance to win it, you will have to post something in the chat, and I will give you the word in one moment. I just need to set up some parameters. What theme do you use for VS Code? It's Pale Night. Let me write, I will show you. No, yeah, there. Community material theme. This one. Not this one, I don't know why I have this one, but my guess is that if I remove it, I might break something. And use Pale Night. Because there is multiple themes inside this one. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we need a word. Alright, so if you want a chance to win the Three.js Journey course, the word is bird. Because bird is the word. Let's go, let's go. I hope you guys got the joke. I was watching Griffin, they have something with that song. Peter always singing that song. So let's go, bird, bird, bird. Oh, actually, we have quite a lot of people. 24 already. Okay, 30. That's nice. It's funny not to do that much 3D, no Blender. I will decide on the next project too. I need to think about it. So, while you guys are posting birds in the chat, let me prepare the prize for the winner. Up, like this, like that. So, we have 31 participants. Let's go. And congratulations to John the Marksman, sorry. John, can you post something in the chat so that I can send you a whisper? Yay, GG. John the Marks, yay, here you are. Let's go. Whisper. And here is your prize. We reached 100 hugs. Hugs. Oh no, my loop deck is broken again. Damn. Every time. Alright, that was cool. Simple session. I will finish the background probably on the next step. And I will
John, you got the blessing from the portfolio guy.
I will think of the next project, but I think we will do... oh no, I wanted to do some FBO. You know, the... What's the name? With particles. Flow field particles. Yeah, that should be interesting too. Hard though. Might not be that interesting. Unless I get it working fast. So yeah, let's raid Trust Code. I know that he's live. Let's go.
Love your interview a lot. Thanks for this stream.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Alright, let's start the raid. Say hi to Trust Code from me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And this time I will not forget to shut everything down. Bye everyone. See you probably tomorrow. Cheers. Raid cancel? No, no, no. Let's raid now. Isn't it working? It's supposed to be working. Let's go. Oh. What? Ah, start the raid again. Something went wrong. Oh. You guys still here? Try running that quick action again. Is it me or it just left? I think Twitch might have some issues, right? Oh, it's still live. Come on. I can't raid. Damn, what's happening? Raid Trust Codes. No, it's not working. Too bad. Maybe if I refresh that. No, it's broken. I think Twitch is having some issues. Yeah, we cannot raid. Oh, too bad. Too bad, too bad. Let me put the link of Trust Code if you guys want to check what he's doing. Yeah, let's go. Here's the link. Alright, see you everybody. Bye bye.